Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it is harvest day, right? Alright, so we got my cousin here with me again, and we're gonna be harvesting. I already made the headland around the field, so let's get to harvesting. So we're harvesting soybeans with the New Holland CH770. So yeah. I honestly do not know what size draper we have on right now, but I do know we're getting a way better yield than last year. Last year's yield did not turn out good. Like right now, I'd be maybe at 15% full, and it looks like I'm at 32% full. So we're doing pretty good. It's yielding pretty good. I limed it last year, plowed it last year, cultivated it last year, cultivated it this year, fertilized it last year, and then this year, whenever I planted, I put fertilizer down, and before that, I cultivated it. And it looks like it's helped a lot. Oh, and y'all can probably see some of the weeds in it. It's dead. I sprayed herbicide on it. Alrighty guys, we're on our third pass right now. Looks like we're at 42% full. We're going to go ahead and make another lap around the field just so it's easier for us to turn. I actually might go around through there and come back around. Come back down and around. Make sure to check out Hopkins Farm, and I posted a video last night about we was playing Farm Sim, me and Gage, and I really wasn't doing much. So yeah, I was just getting some equipment ready, combine, getting it ready. Yeah. I'm not getting much right now. I'm just trying to stay straight here. Guys, we're going to upgrade eventually once we get the money. I started out with a 4755 John Deere and this combine and a trailer, and that's really it. A plow. And I've upgraded so much. If y'all do not know, I sold the Kuhn 8-row planter and went and bought a 12-row Keverland because it was on sale. Bought it for a good price. Yeah. Right now we're down to $84,287. Not too bad. I really don't want to get no lower than that. Last year on, let's see, the small field up there by my barn, which is maybe a half an acre, maybe a quarter of an acre. That and this field right here, which might be 5 acres, we got $15,000, and we took it to I do not know where we took it to. I believe we took it to Feed and Grain South, I think. See, it wouldn't go Crest Valley. It might have been the grain mill. I can't remember, guys. I cannot remember. We're at 55% full. This field is yielding awesome. Like I can't complain at all. Because last year it done so much worse. We might have hauled out I think our Kloss grain trailer was 55, no, maybe like 44% full. That's it, off these two fields. But we've upgraded and we bought field 52, I think. It's right across over through there. I mean, it connects to this one basically, so there in between the creek. Got it, plowed everything up around it, got it a big field, planted it in soybeans, limed it, sprayed it, herbicide, fertilized, got all it going good. So it should yield just as good as this. Alrighty, back a harvesting. Yep, we're back a harvesting. Alrighty guys, looks like we are full. Let's go ahead and hop in the 6R. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. Well, we're getting her done. It's 11:32 a.m. It's October. 6 hours of ripping. We gotta get this harvest done, guys. Y'all don't know what it's like. We gotta get it done. I'm flying across this field. I need Gage out here with his combine. Yep, it's unloading. Dang, we got a good yield off this. We got a good yield. I'm so happy right now. This is gonna means money, 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 money. Back to harvesting that quick. So guys, there is gonna be a part 2 of harvesting. It will probably be tomorrow morning. I will probably try to do it about 9 o'clock. It might get uploaded anywhere from 12 to 5 that evening. Depends on how long it takes. Sometimes it might take anywhere from 45 minutes to 5 hours. It's crazy. But I'll make sure that I try to get it uploaded for y'all. Especially this video. But the next video will be up soon. So, yeah. The next day. At least by Thursday. At least by Thursday. So. Try to do it Wednesday. We'll see. Just harvesting away. That's about all you can do. It does a good job though. And I was gonna buy. Oh, sorry about that, guys. That's my bad. Hitting the tripod with my knee. I was gonna buy the New Holland Draper header. I never did because it was higher. So I bought this Rostel mash and just threw it on the New Holland because it was cheaper. That's why it's different color and stuff. That's why. And then the case that I'm planning on buying, the 7150 axle flow, only cost us about $301,000. Okay. Then I'm gonna buy a probably 25 or 28 foot draper header. I'm wanting to get the 28 foot. And probably at least a 12 row head. I'd like to get a 16 row corn head. So we'll see how everything goes. I don't know how it will go. We'll just have to see. The 4755, comment below if I should sell it, because I do not know. I do not use it. About the only time I really use it is in the winter, plowing snow. But I could use the 6R. I don't know if I should sell it or not. Eventually, I'm wanting to get a Case 380, I think. Case IH 380. And yeah, that's what I'd like to have. We'll eventually probably get there if everything goes as planned. Y'all are probably thinking, well, he's wanting to convert over to Case. Yes, I want to. I mean, it ain't gonna bother me to have a couple John Deere tractors. That 6R on the other hand, or on the other side, is low on the horsepower. My Ross Lamash cultivator requires 325 horsepower. Well, I used 190 horsepower, 4755, going 3 miles an hour. Well, it says it will go 9 miles an hour, but I only had 190 horsepower instead of 325. So, I rolled on, done this field right here, this field only, and the little one by the barn, because it was small, and got it done at 3 miles an hour. It took a while, but I got it done. $1 wage payment. What? Oh, well, that's because I hired a worker on accident. And then I got the 6R, which is 280 horsepower, and it pulls it pretty good. I can go 5 miles an hour. Still not 9, but we'll probably eventually get there. I love the cultivator. That's one thing I'm not getting rid of, is the cultivator, unless I find a Case IH speed till or a Kinsey speed till. I'd like to eventually either sell the Kloss grain trailer and get a grain cart, or keep the Kloss grain trailer, or sell the Kloss grain trailer, get a grain cart, and buy a semi and trailer. That is what I'm really wanting to do. Yes, it might take 6, 7, 8 years in the game, but it will get there. It's going to be part of it, and that's how the farm's going to roll. And like I said, there'll be part 2 of me doing 2 other fields. Yeah, it's going to be nice. And please comment below if you think I should sell the 4755, because I'm going to trust your all's comments. That's what I'm going by. Almost done. We're done with this field, guys. Nice. Didn't take us that long. It probably took us 30 minutes in real life. Maybe. Unload and we'll see how much percent we are full. Last time off the little field up there and by the barn, and this field we had 44%. The Kloss was 51%. We have gained 7 more percent. That's not bad. I like the 51% full. I like that. I'm gonna stick with it. By the time I harvest that other field over there and that other field, hopefully I should truck out another trailer, a trailer and a half. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment if I should sell that 4755. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.